How to change available booking hours in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the availability hours or the time of your availability within your Wix booking program. So it is going to be very easy and very simple. We are going basically here to have normally the calendar, but as you can see in our website we do not have it. So we're going to install it real quick from the App Store. We're going to have here booking, and we're going to have the Wix bookings. So I'm going to install it real quick. Click on add to site. I'm going to accept the as you can see the conditions, wait for the website to be added or the calendar, and it is going to be right here. So we're going to give it a little bit of time. So we're going to wait for dashboard, and normally it is going to be here. So let's see the booking calendar. It is right there. So we are going to have it right there. Now what we're going to do is to head over the management. As you can see, we are going to have the services and everything. Now what we're going to do is to head over the activity, and you can add here the services. So we can go ahead and add the first service of ours. So we're going to wait for a few seconds in here, and then we are going to add the services. Now we're going to have, as you can see, the service. Here we have the services. We have some of the examples. You can create a one from scratch or use the usually used right there services. You can go ahead and click on edit, and then you're going to have the price payment, locations, assigned staff, images, and booking preferences. Also, you can have everything set up, and then you're going basically to click on the save. I'm going to leave without saving because it is not going to be the subject for today's video. So we are going basically here to have the booking channels. So you can add some booking channels like Facebook, Instagram, and etc. And here we have it. So after we have set up everything from the services and also the availability, we can go ahead and head over the work schedule, and you're going to find the staff. So you can add staff hours. As you can see, we're going to select the staff, and it is going to be updating the working hours of the staff. For example, you're going to add hours, the start date, the time, as you can see, from, to, the location, and etc. Also, you can set up here the calendar. So all the calendar is going to be available from here. You can go ahead and control or edit any of the work hours of the employees or the staff members. You can add some more staff hours or add some more staff. I can go ahead and click on manage staff. I'm going to add more staff. Here we are going to have staff, for example, or like that, staff 2. And we're going to set up everything from the working hours of them. So then we are going to add the working hours. So after that, we're going to have them set up together. So I'm going to put here the days where the working staff is going to be in here from, for example, 9 a.m. to 5 or 6 p.m. 5 p.m. Click on here, and it is going to add a start date. So we are going to click on save, and this is the first thing that we need to do. Now we can go ahead and head over the booking calendar, click on work schedule. We're going to find your staff in here and also the working hours of them. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.